In this video, you are gonna know why we don't know the ocean. Now you are closer to realize why we don't know that much. Okay, we start. The ocean is vast, terrifying, beautiful. It covers more than 70% of our planet. And yet, it's the one place we still know almost nothing about. We've mapped the surface of Mars, the craters of the Moon, even the swirling storms on Jupiter, but not the world that lies just a few miles beneath our own feet. The deep ocean remains Earth's last frontier, a place darker than night, heavier than steel, and more alien than anything in space. So here's a question. Why don't we know our own planet? We have satellites, submarines, and technology that can measure a molecule, and yet, most of our ocean floor is still a blur, mapped with less detail than the surface of Mars. That's not an exaggeration, that's a fact. The average resolution of ocean floor maps is around 1.5 kilometers per pixel. That's 3,000 times less detailed than the ground beneath your shoes. And that gap hides mysteries we're only starting to uncover. When you look at Google Earth, it seems like we've charted every ridge and trench. But what you're actually seeing isn't the ocean floor. It's a guess. A digital model built from how gravity tugs ever so slightly on the water above. Because light can't reach those depths. There are no cameras that can see through miles of water. So, to reveal what lies beneath, scientists have to use sound. And even sound can struggle to find its way back up. Let's imagine you're sinking. 10 meters down. You feel pressure build. 100 meters. It's pitch dark. 1,000. Your body would collapse without protection. By the time you reach 11,000 meters, the bottom of the Mariana Trench, you're experiencing over 1,000 times the pressure of the atmosphere above sea level. It's an alien environment, where metal crushes like paper, and life survives in ways we can barely understand. In the 1940s, a scientist named Marie Tharp began to draw what nobody had ever seen. Using sonar data from ships, she hand-sketched the first maps of the ocean floor. What she found changed science forever.